Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, welcome back to yet another car meet. Tonight rather, we're out here at Strada. It's also the pre-rally launch meet for the North Face Rally. If you guys want more information on that, I'll leave it below. As you can tell, there's a lot of revving, there's a lot of noise, there's a huge crazy car meet happening. So I'm gonna stop talking here in a second. I'm gonna walk around the show, get as much content as I can. There's some crazy cars, some super rare cars, so sit back and enjoy the video. And when it quiets down, I'll come back and talk to you guys a little bit. But for now, let's enjoy the show.
Miles approaching to the left, everyone out. Out.
that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. I'm sorry I didn't walk around and vlog more like I said I was going to in the opening, but as I'm sure you can hear, I'm inside the car. It's still pretty loud out there with people playing music. There are lots of people revving, as we've seen in the video, and it was hard to even just get up close and personal with the cars. There's so many people here, but I did my best, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. We saw lots of cool cars. We got to see lots of Performantes. We saw the King Tasma Pagani Huayra BC. We saw another Koenigsegg Agera RS. We saw Ferrari F50, Aventadors. P1, I don't even remember all the cars we saw. There were so many. If you guys are wondering about the rest of the actual Strada show, it's a big weekly car meet here in Vaughan, Ontario. I'll put links in the description below so you can go check out their Instagram page and maybe some other videos of the show. But basically, it's just another big car meet. But my main focus today was to go to the North Face Rally meet and capture all those crazy supercars. So, yeah, like I said, this is going to pretty much end the video. The party is still going on here, but I'm tired. I have a long day ahead of me at work tomorrow. So yeah, as always, if you enjoyed this video, I can't even speak right now, I'm so tired. But if you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos, because this isn't the only fun thing we're doing this week. This week, Friday night, I'm going to another rally meetup for the Ace Spade Rally. I'm going to try to meet up with Damon from Daily Driven Exotics, the Stradman, Dr. M3, Mad Whips, all kinds of other people, so stay tuned for that video. And then this Sunday, my car club, the 10 Gen Club, shout out to the boys and girls there. We have a Honda Super Meet that we're going to at Cayuga, which is part of Toronto Motorsports Park. So I'm going to be filming as much of that as I can. So yeah, there's lots of good stuff coming to the channel, guys, so stay tuned. And I can't even really talk anymore, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.